It's a significant day in the studio because today, 31st of August 2018, is this balloon's first birthday. So this day, a year ago, I held my core confidence and cake workshop, and we use balloons to show the importance of managing the pressure within your abdomen and how this affects your pelvic floor. So recently I've also posted about the fact that one squeeze does not fit all, and that the Kegels or pelvic floor exercises, lifting and squeezing your pelvic floor, are not the only thing that you can do to support your core and floor health. Whether that's just general support, whether it's dealing with any incontinence, prolapse, or anything else besides. So what we did with the balloon was to mark on, I don't know if you can see there at the top, diaphragm, abs down the middle, pelvic floor at the bottom, and round the back was the spine. Okay, and this balloon over the last year, it has been belted around the studio by my sons, treating it as a football. It's been played with by various toddlers that have been in here with their mums on the Stronger Mummy program as well. And I've used it in demonstrations on videos and for various other things as well. So it is a record-breaking balloon in my eyes, at least, and the balloon's eyes, obviously. So the sort of thing that we use it to show is that if you're holding in your tummy all the time, maybe you do that to help your tummy look flatter, maybe it's a stress response, but what you can see is that pressure has to go somewhere, and you can see it bulging out here and pressing down into that pelvic floor. So we can't just look at the pelvic floor working on its own, because we've got to manage the pressure within the whole system above it. The pelvic floor needs to be able to work with, to counteract what's going on above it and support your actions every day. So literally, as soon as you lift your head off the pillow, that pelvic floor is activating and the pressure in the system above it is changing. So learning to support and manage the pressure within your torso, within your body, is a key part of supporting your core and floor health. So we will celebrate the balloon's birthday, but if you would like to know more about supporting your overall core and floor health, whether that's due to issues in your tummy, such as abdominal separation after having a baby, and that may be several years after your baby has been born, any pelvic floor issues at all, or perhaps you have persistent low back pain, me and the balloon are here to support you. So just drop your questions below or send me a message, and I would love to talk to you. Bye for now.